hope you're having a great day today. In the grand narrative of life, each one of us holds a pen. Our story, a canvas of endless possibilities, waits patiently for the stroke of our choices, dreams, and efforts. This is the tale of transformation, of shifting from struggle to glory. But remember, only you can write your story the way it happened and the way you want it to happen. See, no one else can fill these pages for you. Within the depths of our being, we harbor desires, dreams, and the sheer potential for greatness. Yet, too often, we find ourselves caught in a cycle of dissatisfaction and unfulfillment. If this resonates with you, pause for a moment. Stop, breathe in deeply, and confront the reality of your current situation. Reflect on this pivotal question. What is it that you truly aspire to achieve? See, continuing on the same path without change is a recipe for reoccurring mistakes, a loop of unhappiness. Clearly, there's something you yearn to transform, an aspect of your life that cries out for a new direction. Your happiness, your sense of fulfillment depends on this change. The journey of transformation does not demand eternity. Sometimes, all it takes is a moment of profound reflection to set the wheels of change in motion. A minor adjustment, a small step towards your goal can pivot the entire course of your life towards a future brimming with success and satisfaction. If you don't take the helm of your life, rest assured that someone else will steer it in their direction, crafting your story according to their vision, not yours. This is your life, your narrative. Seize the opportunity to shape it as you wish by setting clear, achievable goals. Action is the bridge between your current state and the life you desire. Hope alone is a fragile strategy. Wishing for change without action is like waiting for a ship at the airport. The journey to glory, to the realization of your dreams, is paved with effort, resilience, and the courage to take charge of your destiny. This is your moment. The pen is in your hands. The page is unturned, and the future is a story yet to be written. From struggle to glory, the path is yours to define. Write your story, craft your destiny, and let no one else dictate the course of your life. The greatest glory lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall, with our eyes set firmly on the horizon of our dreams. See, only you know what it will take to make you happy. Embrace the journey, write your story, and let your life be a testament to the power of resilience, vision, and unwavering determination. From struggle to glory, only you can write your story. As we reach the end of our journey today, remember, the story of your life is still being written, with each day offering a new page, a new opportunity for growth, change, and achieving your dreams. But the journey doesn't end here. Your path to glory, to a life filled with purpose, freedom, and happiness is a continuous adventure, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Visit us at freedomlifebusiness.com. Join our heart-centered community and opt into my email list and unlock the door to exclusive insights, personalized feedback, and the support you need to navigate your path to success. Together, we'll explore the strategies, mindset shifts, and actionable steps that can transform your life and business, propelling you from struggle to glory. Don't let your story be written by anyone but you. Embrace the freedom to craft your life and business the way you've always envisioned. Make today the day you take that decisive step towards your dreams. Remember, only you have the power to transform your narrative from struggle to glory. Let us be the catalyst for your change. Join us and let's write the next chapter of your story. Your future is waiting. Make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now.